This is a St. Louis rib, a Canadian rib from a brand called Dubreton, exclusively sold here in Gilmours. 3-hour cook. First hour, you're just smoking it, leaving it alone, letting the smoke get through it. Second hour, you're cooking it every 15 minutes, spritzing it with an apple juice, just keeping the coverage moist. Once you get through the stall and get it up to about 90 degrees Celsius, take it out of the oven, out of the pit, put it into a boat, wrap it up with butter, with brown sugar, apple juice, close it in really, really tight. Let it go for about another hour. Bring it to about 103 degrees Celsius. Pull it off. It'll be sweet every time.